Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to require password immediately after sleep on Mac. So if you frequently carry your Mac with you or use it in public places, requiring your password immediately after it wakes up can help you keep your data more secure. Even if someone picks your Mac while you're away, they won't be able to access your account without entering the correct password. So basically it's a security feature that everyone should enable. So to enable it, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to lock screen. After that, click on the drop down menu right to require password after screensaver begin or display is turned off. And here make sure to choose immediately. And you may see a pop-up here where you need to enter your password to verify yourself that you are changing these settings. So enter the password and then follow the on-screen instructions to save the changes. So from next time when your Mac wakes from sleep, you need to enter your password before you continue using it. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.